Let's make Nigerian meat pie. On this channel, I have a very detailed meat pie filling video which I'll be attaching in the description box and also in the comment section. So you can go watch that video so you can see in details how I make my meat pie filling. Please do not like this video, please do not subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to join my membership for those who want to start their own food business or want to start cooking in bulk, but there is a particular meal request you want to make. When you join my membership, you can make them and I'll call you privately and teach you how to do it. Thank you. The filling for this meat pie is quite simple. You saw me saute my onions, my seasoned beef, and all my vegetables. I am more intentional when it comes to vegetables in my meals. Why? Because vegetables have a way of, increasing the nutritional value of any meal. For my meat pie, I used flour, that's all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, and butter. For the butter I used this brand called Spread, but try to use any brand available to you, okay? You saw me sieve my flour before adding other ingredients. Why did I do that? I did that because when you sieve your flour, you remove the impurities in the flour and you also make the flour lighter, okay? And you saw the way I used my hand in kneading my dough. I kneaded this dough till it had this crumbs in it before using my milk as the wet ingredient to mold this into a ball. I want to quickly say at this point that please do not over knead your dough so it doesn't form gluten, okay? I allow this rest for 1 hour before cutting them into different pieces, equal pieces, because one piece will make 1 pound. I showed you my cutter, that's my pie cutter that I use for my meat pie. At times when you want to make pie for a large amount of people, when you do it manually, it's kind of difficult or takes more time. But when you use the pie cutter, quickly you get the job done, okay? Please do well to like this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. And let me know in the comment section, how do you like your meat pies? Do you like them big? Do you like them small or medium size? One thing that makes homemade pie unique is the imperfections in them. When you buy pies from the supermarket, from the bakery stores, they come out perfect. But you see those ones you make at home, they have a lot of imperfections in them. But you see those imperfections, they are the icing on the cake, okay? Here you can see me using my pie cutter and you see how it easily and conveniently does the job for me. After getting the required amount of pies I want, I baked this in my oven for 45 to 50 minutes until I achieved these brown crusts. also forget to always egg wash your pies and also make holes using your eating fork on them. Okay, thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I enjoy this pie with my family and they definitely love it, and I know you will love it too. Please do well to like my video, please do well to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.